Thursday, May 4th, 2023, also known as day 80 of the $100 account challenge. Here's my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks. So do your own due diligence. I am just merely making a paper trail, or in this case, a digital trail of my trades in an attempt to see at the end of the year what I did wrong, what I did right, and capitalize on what I did right. So let's begin. Remember, all trades are scalable. This is a $100 account challenge. So my account didn't have much money in the beginning, so I can't trade large amount of stocks, large quantities of stocks. Man, look at that. That's probably the play right there. Or VINO. Let me see. SNGX. VINO. SVRE. CYTO. XIN, DBGI. Add about 3 or 4 more stocks. CIMV. ARNC. SABS. I see GDC back too, I see. Okay. Let me add to my other account. CYTO, DVGR, CIMV, SABS. What I miss? Did I miss one? That should be enough right there. I tell you what, basketball was crazy last night. There was nobody doing nothing for the Sixers. Did I miss my buy-in point? Let me see. Okay. SNGX. I think I'm trading $80 today. Oh, you look at that pullback. Woo-wee. That was some nasty pullback, wasn't it? See, yet again, another day. The stock goes up to 200-300%. Look at this. It was $1.38. Went to $6. And then it just drops. It's been happening for the last maybe 5-6 days on these stocks. There's some news right there. Clinical results. Phase 3. That's the best part to have. 1 and 3. 3 is the best, so I think. 730 right there. 730. It popped up $6 and then dumped. That's wild. That's wild. That's a nasty pullback. That's a nasty pullback, man, right there. You can't even find no levels of support. Yeah, it is. You can't even make support. Resistance right there now. You can make that. Yeah, that's nasty. Alright. Next one was SVRE. That has a 1.8 million market cap. Wait a minute. SVRE. Look at that pop right there from 174 215 on 15-minute candle. Here's the pullback right here. We have 180. Any news? 830. This is SVRE. Going too fast. There we go. Silver one. There go news beneath it right there. I'm looking at it. Right there. There we go. Abu Dhabi. 180 still. None to borrow. If you want. None to borrow. So I have 80. I'm going to say EXT. Watching for this pullback right here. Watch for a minute. That's 182. I'm gonna put it right here at 180. Let me see. That's the pullback. I'm gonna hold off a second. I want to get in at 183, 184 maybe. Let me go over here for a minute. SVRE. Hold up. Don't jump the gun, Joe. Don't jump the gun. SNGX. Put that up there. That's a nasty pullback. Golly. Man, oh man, oh man. VINO. That's a good one too. What that about? Let me draw a candle right quick while I'm thinking about it. Any news on VINO? No news. All these stocks are running with no news, man. That's mind blowing. That is resistance point. It could be labeled as one. Not quite. That's the body right there. Okay. See that dread liner there? That body? That's 188. We're at the 180 mark still. We currently pulling backwards. Support right there maybe. Yeah, it looked like it. And then we have a resistance point at the top of this candle. I'll leave those points there. What's my last one? I'm looking at the fourth one. XIN, 24 million market cap. But CYTO is coming up. These lines are old. Let me get rid of these old drawings. There's the move right there looking for on SVRE. I see it moving. We're at 187 right now. It's 9 o'clock. I want the first green candle though. I want to buy it till I get a green candle that closes above this line here. CYTO. Can't force support resistance points. It just is what it is. The points could be right here at this line. That's my support or resistance now. Here go my top channel right there. All right. Let me go over here for a minute. Then we have VINO. Okay. I'm what? Oh, here go 190. God dang it! Did I miss it? I missed my buy-in. I sure did. Now I'm chasing. Now I'm freaking chasing. My buy-in was right here. We were $2 already. That quick. Pull back a little bit. Hop in right there for right now. See that point there? That green candle in the 15-minute chart? Once it blows through this point, you make $2, then you make $2.20. 196, 20 cents would be $2.16. Put at 220 for right now. And then watch over here. So I'm going to tell you guys I need SVRE to make 190 support. You said DBGI. How many did I buy? I don't even remember. How many? 35. DBGI, I'm looking at it now. It has a 5.7 million share float. It's currently trading 500,000 shares, a little over 500,000 shares. Need more volume. See 190 still support. I need a green candle to close above 190. I'm in at 196, a little bit higher than I wanted to get in because I wasn't watching. But nonetheless, we got the green candle coming in right here, and we're going to stair step. We still going over here. I'm in this first candle. It should be closing above this $2 mark. That'd be great. Then next spot can be 210, and my sell point is 220. Let's watch what it does right here. It has a very small float. Let me look at it again. SVRE don't even have a 1 million share float. There we go. We got $2, 205. We popped this 205.203. There we go. 205. Blow through this 220 mark. I'll get out 220. That'd be 10%, right? Got the two green stair steps right there. We got 203 still. Look up here to bid and the ask. None to borrow. Click on level 2. Time and sales right there even. Watch it run. Here come the buyers right there. Yep. We got 206, 207. Keep going. Profit taking. It's 905. We got a new 5-minute candle right here. Look at this. A very bullish 5-minute candle just came in. 220 is imminent. Make sure we clear here. We clear there. Take off time and sales. We go back to my watching. I know I'm in it. We're gonna let it ride. See, we're gonna stair step. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. We're gonna stair step. You said DBGI. Let me find DBGI. Iran Group sees first quarter, $5 million above. So it's more than expected revenue. And that's an increase of 4% first quarter. This is kind of weird though. Check this out. You have revenue news, as well as what I'm at. Well, that's the only news I saw. Thought I saw more than one news. news article. So it was back here 8 this morning at 78 cents. Here go my question though. 8 o'clock. That's the 8 o'clock news right there. It popped up. It was barely moving at all right here. Then it spiked again. Yeah, I don't even have a 2 million share, 2 million market cap, and it's trading right now. Not even a million share float. What I want to do is I want to buy a couple more cheaper right here. I'm confident in it, so I'm gonna buy 196. I'm gonna buy 5 right there. If it goes that low, let's see. That's probably a little too low. Move at 188 right there. Yeah. 908. I'm gonna try to buy 5 more at 188. At 190 right now. May not pull that low back. Let's see. I hope it doesn't, but it just may do that, just in case. See what it's doing here? Look at this. It popped up to 210. It pulled back here. It popped up again right here. So I'm looking for a head and shoulders move. It popped up again. So this wasn't quite as high. A little higher than this one right here. So you could say that's the head. That's the right shoulder. I want it reverse. I want the right shoulder to be here and the head to be next, which should be higher. Let me get rid of 35 right there. $40. Only banana cent. That's it. $15 to be 20 cents. The high is 15, right? We looking good. Look at this blue line here. It's straight inclining. Look at this bullish light green candle. We need to get longer and longer. The RSI is close to 70. We need to pop 70 for a bullish move. Our 15-minute chart, we straight in green candles. So we may have room to run. I know we have room to run for sure. But it's moving so slow right now. Let's hold on to it because the float is way too small. Market cap is way too small. And we have volume. Look right here. Let me go back here to the last 180 days. You see back here on 3/8/23, it was a 242, 240 stock. You go back further right here. I can't see because I'm lying away. It has some spikes. 262, 493. The question is, what date is that? That's 19th, 16th, 21st. What day is the spike? That's the 19th spike for sure. That's the 20th. That's 20th as well. What day is that? 22? That's the 8th. We good though. As long as we above this 189, we good. There's 192 right there coming in. It's 9/11 right now. You watch when his bell open, how it blast off. I'm watching this 190 mark. It's hovering. Let me go over to the trade. Nothing else doing much or nothing. Let's watch it. Need a long bullish green candle. Notice here though, on the 15-minute chart, we had a small green, light green, you know, bullish, right? Then it versed a little bit, faked out, but then it was light green. They get larger and larger every green candle almost, right? Now here we should explode at 9:15. So it'd be 9:20, 9:15 in a minute, and then come a new 15-minute green candle that should be higher because notice it's slightly inclining as it goes down. Here go the greeny green move right here on the 1-minute chart with a burgundy candle. You already know it's reversal. The 15-minute, we got a bunch of fake outs. I'm sorry, 5-minute rather, a bunch of fake outs. They're all down the line. So 190, 193 look like. We popped through 205 was the high we had a little while ago. Then we need 215. My sell point at. I may move it once it starts running again. I hate watching my candles because it throws me off. If it pulls back below this line, I might have to abort the mission. Only if it closes beneath this line. While we close above it, we still bullish. Let's go over here for a minute. $92, $93. See that? Keep watching up here. See the spread getting larger? $94, $96. $97. $98. There we go. And here is the 9:15 candle, and it's green, and we at $2, right? Close. There go 201, 202. Let's make this run right here. See that green candle over here, 15-minute candle? This came in. It's a bullish candle, very bullish candle. I'm not being greedy. I'm taking my 10% and getting out the way. Look right here. It's a very bullish candle. Watch this next one come in. What's this right here, bro? We're looking at. I'm sorry, I'm on my phone looking at something else, trying to figure out what you're talking about. Where we at? $2? Hovering around $2 still. I'm confident in my move right here, so let me look over here for a second. All right, where we at? We still at $2, seven around $2, man. All it's gonna take is one big buyer to come in and blow past these numbers, so I'm in a good spot. $197, $196, $2. We're turning around that point. We at 203 right now. I'm looking at it. The spread getting larger, which means my sell point is too low. When that spread get large like that, you gotta move your sell point because you're gonna get caught up. You're gonna get caught up and missing profit. So if I move my point now to this line I got drawn earlier, look at this. This line been drawn for months and months and months. That didn't go in today. Let me see. I drew this line back here, did I? Yeah, I drew them all back there. Look like it. No, I didn't. I drew this line on 3.9, 3.8 rather, right there. When it was 217. It's 9:20. New candle. $10 minutes for market open. Nothing really moving for real. This SNGX is a trap, but you can make a nice little pullback buy. So you can buy the first green candle. So I'm going to go over here and say that first green candle to make a new high on SNGX would be the move for me. You see now, it's getting ready to make a green candle, make a new high, but it must close or extend above, full body above this previous red. So now we're looking at about 360. So we're at 352 right now. VINO is not doing nothing. DBGI is not doing nothing. What's the leading gapper still? SNGX is right there. CYTO moved it, didn't I? Yep. So if I put CYTO right there, a lot of words up there, but for me it works. I like it. I don't mind those words. I know what I'm looking at. But CYTO is on the fourth green candle, so it's stair stepping. ABCD, whatever you want to call it. making higher highs, right? Higher highs. As I put it in, 123, 124 is the bid and ask. We're right here at it. If I go to 1 minute chart right here, you're gonna notice the difference though. Watch this. These are each a minute candles, so it runs up, it pulls back. It runs up, it pulls back. All it's doing making higher highs, right? I'm content right now where I'm at on this SVRE stock. You see this line I drew earlier today? It's still hovering along it, but it's constantly getting further and further thin away from it. So you want it to close higher and higher away from it. If I go to 15-minute chart right here, you can see we're still very bullish, right? We're still climbing and climbing and climbing. That's what you want to see. You want to see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hopefully get 20 15-minute green candles in a row as it's steady climbing. 240 isn't far off. Mark my words, 240 isn't far off. 5 minute. But I, my friend, not being greedy, I take my 20, 30 cent and get out the way. We almost 9.25. We $2 right now. 201. We got 40 seconds left in this candle. Let's see where it opens at. Notice up here though, a lot of fake outs, right? We got one big bullish candle. This one, as far as the volume go, one big bullish candle volume. This one was next. It failed, right? The biggest volume right now is at any up here? No volume up there. The biggest volume right now is at $2. So that's your price target right now, 201, 202. I'm sitting up here at 217 waiting. There we go. We got 205, 209, 209. Come on, keep going. We got 206, 208, 210. There we go. There go 10 right there. Keep going. I'm waiting at 217. There we go. I'm just waiting. There we go. There go 10. There go 12, 11. There go 11. We almost there. I'm just waiting. There go 12. Next candle gonna blow through my point. It's imminent. It's imminent. 212 still sitting there. We 5 cents off. I can move it a little higher if I want to. 15 was the high. Remember that. 15 was the high. I'm still sitting right there. This candle right here. Boom, boom. Voila, right there. Watch. Come on now. Where them buyers go? I can move it higher if I want to, you know. We at 9 still, sitting at 9. Here come the candle coming in at 9 right there. That's the 1 minute candle. We get close to it. We got 213. Remember, 215 is the high, right? I'm comfortable sitting right there. Because the market opens in 3 minutes. Let me move it up. I'll move it up 2 or 3 more cents. Let me see. Let me go 221. Right above 220. Because notice this. When it's this large green candle, right? And it's a new 5 minute candles came in. So it's a lot of volume on this candle. But look over here in the 15 minute chart. Remember I said earlier, I need a candle to make this 209 support. Or this 190 support rather. See what this candle did? It came in, the bottom is 190. And now it's just making a support and blowing past it. So now we need a couple buyers to come in here and pop past this 220. And then I'm out the way. We got 209, 209, 210, 211, 12, 13, 14, 15. It hit 50, 17, 18. Hit 18 twice. 20. And we had 20 and 22. Voila. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Remember though, I told you that 240 is in sight. Watch where high it go. So SVRE in at, we're going to say 195 is my average. 5 out at 221. I'm going to say 240 is next. We got 20 seconds to the bell. I'm going to keep the video going for a little bit as I trade my large account, and we're going to watch what happens. $227, $230, $233, $240 yet? $230, $233, $234, $235, $237. Here it come. Here come $240, $38, and there is $240. It's so easy. And there is $240. Remember, I said earlier, $240 is not far off. It's going to hit it. It popped $253. But I wasn't being greedy. I'm getting out the way. Stay green. Don't be greedy.